Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to business communication class. So, my dear students, from our previous session, we are discussing about the business letters, that is, the parts of business letters, process of writing. So, parts of business letter is one of the one of the factor, one of the point which we have to discuss under the heading process of writing. So, process of writing we have started. So, in that, so the last one is it was audience analysis. So next one is role of persuasion. So role of persuasion means it is a process of influencing or changing the attitudes, the beliefs, the values or behavior of a person, of a receiver or of a audience. Okay, so which type of audience you are selecting, with which type of audience you are talking or you want to send a message, so it's changing their beliefs, values, attitudes, okay, by your writings. So for example, you can take a political parties canvassing for votes, a service organization requesting for the donation, and even making a new candidates to accept the challenging jobs. Okay, so persuasion. So role of persuasion means impressing or changing a opposite party, means a receivers. So there may be the attitudes, beliefs, values, whatever it may be, but influencing them by your writing. Okay, this is the role of persuasion. The next one is drafting. This is very easy and very well known by all of us. Drafting, so what does it mean? So drafting letter means what? Changing, making the corrections in a letter. Okay, so in that drafting we have a different types, okay, different aspects. So that we will discuss one by one. The first aspect is physical aspect. Second one is a structure of business letter, and the third one is formatting. Okay, these three we will discuss one by one now. The first one is physical aspect of a letter. Physical aspect of a letter means paper, which type of paper you select, whether you select the white paper or you select the brown, pink, green. Okay, so business organization, they use a letter pads of a different sizes. Sizes are different. A4 size, a small size, 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 2 into 6, like that. So paper, size of paper, what type of paper is to be used while writing. So size of paper is selected depending upon the subject matter. Okay, so the letterheads are printed on the headings and they show the name, address, and the telephone numbers of sender, etc. Okay, and they may also contain the symbol and the slogan, motto, code, telex, fax, branch address, office address, etc. Okay, that is in physical aspect. So again, as I said, physical aspect, there are four: paper, typing, folding, envelopes. So paper, which type of paper is to be selected, is to be decided by the sender. And the next one is typing. Typing is also very essential, means very important here. Okay, so the business letter should be properly typed with the spacing, proper spacing between two lines and between words, between paragraphs as well. Okay, so the here the spacing, neat appearance, and the multi copies, etc., is to be considered. And the next one is folding. So folding, it is very simple matter. So you may think that folding, what is in that folding? Folding is also very important in business. So two folder, three folder, like that. The letter should have a minimum folds. Okay, it should not have a more than three folds. Okay, so it depends upon again paper size. So paper should not uh, multilated here. The folding should be made in such a way that it can be very easily inserted in a envelope. And the next one is envelopes. The envelope which carries the valuable message, it should be of a standard quality and of a standard size. As you know, size is envelope size, it depends upon paper again. 3.5 into 5.5, 4.5 into 10.5. Okay, a small also available and the big also available. For small paper, for small folding, small envelope. For big, a big envelope. And the next one is a structure or the parts of a business letter. So business letter parts are letterhead, date, reference number, inside address, salutation. So the letterhead is, as I said, it is indicated the name of the concern, and the it express the personality, generally the name address of written from the, as you know, letterhead includes the name and address of the company or the office. At the top of the letter, it includes everything: fax, telephone number, address, everything it includes. So it expresses the firm's personality, and the different styles are used to design the attractive headings here. Okay, it includes everything, means in short they give the information about the business, okay, or the organization. Next one is the date. Date is generally it is written right hand side of the letter. Okay, and the next one is reference line. After the date, reference line will come. This I will show you the format later on. After this one I will show you the format. uh, Reference line is reference number, and then next one is the inside address. Inside address, it provides the address of dispatch clerk. Okay, it adds the respect to readers. It is written to the indicate the name and address to whom the letter is written. Inside address. Okay, and the next one, generally it is written from left hand margin. Okay, while writing inside letter, the courtesy titles like Mr., Miss, Mrs., Doctor, Professor should not be used. Okay, next one is salutation. So my dear students, salutation is the 2 marks question. So it is a formal wishing or greeting before presenting the subject matter. For example, dear sir, dear sirs, dear madam. Okay, my dear sir, my dear doctor, my dear professor, like this. This is wishing, a formal wishing or greeting before presenting the subject matter. It is an expression of courtesy intended to put the reader in a friendly and respective frame of mind. Okay, so just wishing before writing your letter. And the next one is next parts of business letter. It is continued here. There are total 11 parts of business letters. Okay, the next one is the subject line, subject and where, what we write there, for what purpose we are writing the letter. For example, if you are writing a letter for the purchase, so a subject you have to write for purchase of so and so product, so and so goods, or for application of so and so job, or for application of so and so work, like this subject matter. So subject line, it pinpoints the total subject matter what you're going to write in a letter. Okay, and the next one is body of the letter. So body of the letter is a main purpose, main writing purpose of writing a letter is written in the body of the letter. Okay, the purpose of writing of a letter is it is achieved by presenting the matter in the best way. So it is write in a short, we have to write in a short. Okay, do not waste the words unnecessarily. Therefore, the next one is complementary clause. Okay, so the complementary clause is again what have, it is like saying goodbye, thank you. Okay, so what we say, complementary clauses, what we say: yours faithfully, yours sincerely, okay, yours truly, okay, your tastily, your coolly, your respectfully. Okay, so this is what the complementary clause. And the next one is signature. Signature is as you know, we need not explain the signature last. So signature is generally it is put right hand side below the complementary clause. Okay, And the next one is enclosures. Enclosures mean attachments. If you want to attach any extra documents, you can attach with this. Okay. If the documents are sent along with the letter, all such documents are to be listed on a bottom. So for example, general enclosures are, you can take example of DD, check, okay, price list, quotation, if you want to attach. So if you attached, it is extra documents which you attach, that you are going to write here. And the next one is postscript. Last one is a postscript. So postscript is here, after signing the letter, if the writer desires to add any important matter which is left over in a body of the letter. So if anything is left in the body of the letter, if anything is missing which a writer want to add there, that can be added at the end by writing PS, that is postscript. So such matter written is called as a postscript. Okay, so this is what about the parts of business letter, my dear students. This is also one of the important 5 marks question. So here you get parts of business letter as well as the format of business letter. I will show you the format of business letter later. Okay, later on I will show you. So now I hope all of you understand this. And if you have, after this, still we are in the first chapter, first unit. So after this, so any next 2 points are there. Okay, so after finishing that, I will show you the format of business letter, and we'll have a meeting together. If you have any confusion or any doubt, okay, we will discuss there. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you once again. Okay, bye.